Whether you need to show someone how to do something on your phone or get some gameplay footage to edit and show your friends, being able to record the screen on your smartphone can make life a whole lot easier. Fortunately enough for iPhone users, iOS natively supports screen recording, with a recorder built in as early as iOS 11. If you have an iPhone and you're wondering how to do this, here's how it's done. To use your built-in screen recorder, open your Control Center and tap on the grayed out record icon. If it's not there, you'll have to add it to your Control Center first. Don't worry, it's super easy. To do this, open your Settings menu and tap on Control Center. From here, tap on More Controls or Customize Controls if you're using iOS 13 or earlier, then tap on Add icon next to Screen Recording. Once that's done, just open your Control Center and tap and hold on the gray record icon. If you want to start recording your voice as well, tap on the microphone button below. Once you're all set, tap on Start Recording. You'll get a 3-second countdown before the recording starts. If you don't need to toggle the voice recording setting on, tapping on the icon in the control panel will give you a 3-second countdown before recording using your previous setting. Once you're done recording, open your Control Center and tap on the red recording button or tap on the red status bar at the top of your screen. Then tap Stop to end recording. On your screen, a notification banner will pop up. Tapping on that will show you the video you've just recorded. For future use, you'll be able to find your recording in your Photos app. Some apps might not allow you to record audio due to copyright issues. Likewise, you can't record your screen and use screen mirroring at the same time. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering iOS and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.